How to record Zoom meeting on Android with audio. So if you want to record a Zoom meeting on Android with the audio, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Zoom. You can go with the application if you have the application, or if you don't have the application, you can also go with your browser. So just open up your Zoom. After opening, you can go with join and you can join a meeting. After joining a meeting, now if you want to record that meeting, then you will have a record option right there on your meeting to record that. But if you don't find the record option inside your meeting, then you can just go back, and if you have any recording applications on your device, then you can use those application to record your Zoom meeting. So in my case, I already have screen record section. So you can tap and hold on to that screen record and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you can go and turn on the screen recording, and here you will have an option of record sound. So I'm recording my screen right now, so I don't have the touch option right there. But if you're not recording and you will see the record sound section, it will be touchable for you. So you can tap on it and you will have microphone audio. So you need to go and turn on the audio for your recording. After turning on the audio, then you can go back and start your screen recording and go with your Zoom meeting, and it will record your meeting with the audio. Or if you don't have a built-in recording, then you can also go with your app store and you can search for screen recording with audio, and here you will have all of the screen recorders plus audio. So you can go and install any one of these applications and use those applications to record your meeting on your Zoom. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.